Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Epson ET2650 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to remove jammed paper from this device. So firstly, you need to unplug it from the power source. And that's great, let's start. So here first of course we need to open the display, and if you have seen that paper is not jammed, so you can try to remove it in the easiest way. But if you can't, because paper jammed inside, so you need to open the printer. To do it, here you have this place for fingers, and try to open this lid. So not the scanner lid, but this lid, main lid. And as you can see, here is we have not difficult construction. Here our paper can be only here. As you can see, here is the paper place. So here is just a new paper, and you need to remove it. And if your paper is jammed here, so just remove it from here, but don't touch this detail. And if you have the paper here, so just remove it from here. I will remove it in the easiest way because my paper is not jammed too much. And it's great. As you can see, I have removed my paper, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!